आइए अब सुनते हैं मोहम्मद रफ़ी की आवाज़ में।
वो अपनी याद दिलाने को एक इश्क की दुनिया छोड़ गए। वो अपनी याद
वो
दिलाने
अपनी
को
याद दिलाने को एक इश्क की दुनिया छोड़ गए. This line from Mohammed Rafi's first song in independent India holds a secret about the legacy he would leave behind. 7,000 songs, spanning from British India to independent India.
My dad was born in Amritsar in a village called Kotla Sultan Singh. जहाँ पे वो रहते थे, जो मोहल्ले में रहते थे, वहाँ पे एक फ़कीर हमेशा उनके मोहल्ले से जाता था.
तो उसकी आवाज़ मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगती थी, जब मैं वो ज़्यादा चलता जा रहा था, मैं उसके पीछे पीछे चलता, मैं भी साथ साथ में चलता था.
कौन है जो सपनों में आया.
Young Fico, singing along with the fakir, imitating him, was pulled into the enchanting world of music. At just 13, Rafi had his first break, singing as a backup for the legendary K.L. Sehgal during a performance in Lahore.
एक इंसान बैठे थे हमारे ताए के बाजू में और उन्होंने कहा ये लड़का बहुत अच्छा गाता है, इसका नाम क्या है. बोला कि ये मेरा छोटा भाई है, नाम इसका रफ़ी है. तो उन्होंने अपना कार्ड दिया और उन्होंने कहा कि अपने लड़के को मेरे पास लेकर आना, मैं श्याम सुंदर हूँ.
सज रही गली मेरी माँ.
People like Rafi Sahab are not created or made singers, they are born greats.
From Lahore to Mumbai, Rafi's voice transcended boundaries and stood the test of time.
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया.
In 1944, Rafi moved to Mumbai. An old acquaintance from Punjab, Shyam Sundar, gave Mohammed Rafi his first Hindi song for the film Gaon Ki Gori. But it was his meeting with the legendary Naushad Ali that marked a new chapter in Rafi's career, entrusting him with all the songs for Baiju Bawra, an album that became an instant hit, making Rafi visible to the world. S.D. Burman and Rafi created the iconic soundtracks for films like Pyasa, Kagaz Ke Phool, Kala Pani, Guide and Abhiman. Songs that would stay with us for generations. With a smile that never faded, Rafi took a flight in good times.
Rafi Sahab was a very godly singer. He sang so many genres, you can't just pick one.
Mohammed Rafi, in 1947, made his acting debut in the film Jugnu. It was in this very year that Rafi made the pivotal decision to leave Lahore behind. With a smile, embracing the future, he sang for Jugnu. He was a legend who brought together generations, languages, and cultures through his music. A legacy that will live on in every note, in every song, and in every memory of his voice.
अपनी याद दिलाने को एक इश्क की दुनिया